All right, guys, so we're back. We just took the 3-stage intake manifold off the E60. Look at the paint. That's what I was telling you guys about before. The paint is so smudgy. Then you wash it and buff it and clean it. It looks good for like a few weeks and it goes right back. Weird, man. Anyhow, took the intake manifold off the E60. We are going to put that on the E90. E90 has all the right stuff to put it on. I was getting ready to pull this car out and start on that, but then I remembered we got the diversity antenna. A lot of you guys are saying, man, how many parts are you gonna put in that car, Nathan? Well, all of them, I guess, apparently. This thing just took a dump, so the key doesn't work. This is the antenna. I believe it controls the radio antenna. It also controls the key antenna and a few other things. Come on, man. Somebody clipped off the damn wire. This is the new one. All right, we'll have to sort that. But anyhow, I didn't really want to video this. Dean thought I should. This is an impossible place to get the camera in. All right, so we're just gonna hop in the back here. I got plastic back here for the concrete stuff. Never mind that. This is a weird spot to get into. So the very first thing we did was we took a screwdriver under here, popped that loose. There is a SRS. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's just a ground wire they cut off, so at least I could fix it. Good deal. There's a little SRS airbag that goes over the C-pillar right there. You pop that off with a straight screwdriver. There's a T20 behind that. The rest of the C-pillar just pops off, is laying right there. After that, you got to take the screw out of the airbag. There's T20 goes in right there. Another T20 right next to it that holds the ground. Took that off. And then, this is not gonna be a good video because that baby sits up under there and I can't even pull that back far enough to even see it. And that clips in. You see the little notches on the antenna here. Has little sensitive clips that clip in. Then it has a plug, you unplug. Of course, the ground, we just took that T20 out. Then it has the aerial, I don't know what the deal, but it's like the antenna for the radio. That plugs in that side. We're just going to plug that. That thing is out. Hook it back up. I'm going to have to clip this and put that onto the new one. Hopefully the new one works. This is just like, it's not difficult, but it's a circus, the location of it, where it's at in the car. Also, the best part yet, you can't just buy one and replace it. Oh, it's not going to have that. You have to recode everything. Have to recode it for the car, or it's not going to know what to do, and it won't work. So, welcome to the E60. This thing's a freaking nightmare. It's not too bad. Well, it is really bad. Actually, I was lying. It's really bad. It's a really bad car. We're going to put this in here. We're going to code it and hope it works. Let's see. Okay, so here's what we got. I want to reattach that ground wire. No big deal. Now, before you put these in, you got to take these little tabs. You got to bend them up a little bit so they make contact better. I already bent them up. I don't want to do it too much. We're going to take a little straight screwdriver, and there's little copper contacts on the window itself, like a little box. We'll take that little straight screwdriver. We're going to scrape those. So we're ensuring that these get perfect contact. We're just going to snap it back in. Probably won't even put all the screws back in yet, like all the trim pieces, until we can test this thing and make sure it works. This is a used one, so anything's up in the air. All right, what a pain in the butt that was. Here's the old one. Like I showed you, I had to solder that on there. What a freaking pain. Anyhow, this thing's going outside. This thing needs to be scrubbed down, something fierce. We programmed it, recoded it to the cast, still didn't work. All that stuff, which it was saying the diversity antenna was bad with ISTA, but we had to end up reworking the solder point in the key for it to start working again. So right now, it works. What a pain in the butt. Like I said, it may or may not have been causing the problem, but it did say it was not functioning correctly with ISTA, and it was only 30 bucks. So we threw it in there. Now we should be good to go. Now, 3-stage intake manifold, the E90 is coming up next.